It's Friday, the 22nd of June, and Jerry is up to his good battle tricks with his Super Cub by Hobby Zone. And as you can see, there is a nice breeze here this morning. It picked up pretty quickly, and he is delightfully flying his Super Cub in this condition, and it is rock solid. What a wonderful model. So much so that I might just get one on eBay. Understand they're about a little over $100. Let me show you the windsock. It's almost, not quite, almost horizontal. And there's Jerry. There you go. Okay. If I could only put it in the viewfinder again. There it is. Very stable. And you're at half throttle, Jerry?
Yeah, on the center notch.
In the center notch. Wow, that is incredible. Look how stable it is. I was flying my slow stick and it was all over the place. And I have a brushless motor on the slow stick. This one is a 480 brush motor with 7 cells, orifice A, nickel metal hydride, and it is the second flight perhaps, and it's still putting along very nicely. Something tells me that I might just make a purchase sometime today. And I'll make sure I'll get it in channel 1. You're in channel 2, right? Yeah.
Check this one. I think this one's 2.
All right.
I'll have to double check. I'm gonna bring her in.
Okay, bringing her in. Take your time. If you want to overshoot the runway so you could come directly into the wind, that'd be great. There you go. Beautiful landing, Jerry. That was perfect. Another successful flight. And and look at that windsock. All right.
Thank you.